Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I did my eyes, as you guys can see. I'm trying out some makeup that I just bought. This might not be like new, but it's new to me. I've not tried the e.l.f. HD powder. I know I'm like the only one, and I got the loose one in sheer. I'm already wearing this because I couldn't wait. But this is the NYX Lingerie XXL liquid lipstick, the matte one obviously, and Flaunt It. So far so good. And then I also got like a matching, I hope this is matching. I think it matches the Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury, the lip liner. This is in the shade Alluring. And it is waterproof, by the way. I have another one of those and I'm almost done with it. And then I got the Tarte Tube Mascara, the mini one. So yeah, and I also got the NYX Brow Glue. And then I'm really excited to try this. It's from The Ordinary. It's their concealer in the shade 1.2. So I'm gonna do the primer first. I already put the Essence Good Stuff on, and now I'm gonna do the Power Gripping one from e.l.f. All right, now let's get into the concealer from The Ordinary. The shade selection was so weird. I remember I wanted to buy this online, but it's a little tubey, but I didn't know, like I didn't want to get something too light, and every time I like saw reviews, I also was like confused. This is light and neutral, and I'm like, okay, usually I'm fair, but all right. It's supposed to be high coverage, so. And when I swatched it, it looked like it was high coverage. So let's see. I'm gonna cover these panda eyes. And I know I don't have super dark. Whoa, it does spread really, really far. Let's see if I have any zits to cover. All right, let's see if it covers this. Oh my God, it's so gross. I cannot believe I said that. Oh, it might be a good shade actually. I thought it was gonna be, I didn't want to get something too light because I'm already pale. So I'm gonna use a brush because that's usually what I use. Sometimes I use a sponge, but we're gonna see how much coverage we can get. Maybe too light. The shades, a lot of them were sold out, so I didn't have a lot of, it was either like medium or I think yeah, and they had a bunch of samples out, but not a lot for me to actually buy. So anyway, okay, that's blending in nicely. Coverage is pretty good. Pretty good. All right. I probably could have used a little less. Let me get up and close. Okay, so it looks, I don't know if you guys can really see, but it looks a little heavy. I should probably have already been up this close anyway, but what do you guys think about the shade? I like the coverage. I just think I used too much, but I don't feel like I squeezed out a lot, so I don't know. Definitely brightening, right? I think it's pretty good. I like a little bit of brightness, but I also don't want to, it looks really weird in pictures or especially in person. If you have a concealer that's super light, like it just looks like fake. Okay, so it dried really nicely. Feels smooth. All right, now I'm gonna use the HD powder from e.l.f. I can't believe I haven't tried this before, but I realized I didn't have a drugstore powder, so I was like, I need to get this. So didn't need to, but I did. All right. Oh my God, the animal. All right, I'm gonna use a brush. So just a powder, just like a white powder. I'm gonna use my Lunar Beauty brush. You can use a sponge. I usually use brush, so that's what I'm doing. It feels really soft, like off the bat. I'm just setting my under eyes. All right, time for the mascara and the brows and then the lips, and then we're done. Okay, so here is my camera was not recording when I used the brow gel from NYX, the brow glue, but it looks really nice. Does feel like, I don't know, like a intense brow gel, I don't know. So now we're gonna use the Tube Mascara from Tarte, pretty packaging. Okay. So, yeah, very plasticky. All right, let's get all close and personal. Not clumpy. What do you think? And I will let you guys know the transfers and everything like that in a review video. It's supposed to not, because tubing is supposed to come off in little tubes. Okay, so let me finish let me do another coat. I'll finish the other eye and we'll be right back. All right, I like the mascara a lot. So far, so good. All right, so I already have lips on, but I'll put a lip liner on. Like I said, these are like waterproof. They stay on really like all day, for real. Could not find a lip liner that actually lasts so long. Yay, I picked a good color. Reminds me a lot of the Charlotte Tilbury formulas. I'm actually going to swatch them next to each other. That is the shade Alluring. And then Charlotte Tilbury. No, they're not the same shade. No, they're not. Ugh. Well, I will eventually swatch it and do that. Okay, and then I'm gonna put another coat of this, of the NYX Lingerie Flaunt It XXL Lingerie. Didn't say that at all. It's a very interesting wand, like doe foot, kind of, it's tilted and it's interesting. Smells good. I like how precise this is though, like you can get really on your lip line. Like tons of shades. Very moussey. All right guys, and that is the finished look. 2 really good makeup days, no duds so far. I will let you guys know my monthly review, how I like everything, how everything wears, the mascara, the brow gel, the lips, everything. But yeah, no complaints, everything was good. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.